वेलकम टू माय चैनल ज्योतिष ज्ञान। আমি एस्ट्रोलॉजर तपोराज रॉय।
ज्योतिष ज्ञान की तरफ से ज्योतिषी तपोराज रॉय क्या क्या रत्न क्रिस्टल जिसको जो चाहिए परफेक्ट वही देते हैं। परफेक्ट विश्लेषण करके भविष्यवाणियां के दौरान जन्म कुंडली के हिसाब से बहुत सारे अनुरोध के बाद इस वीडियो में ये शीर्ष रहस्य प्रकट होने जा रहा है। चलो फिर शुरू करें।
Banded agate encourages focus and stability. Blue lace agate promotes calm communication. Crazy lace agate boosts vitality and joy. Fire agate ignites passion and courage. Laguna agate enhances creativity and self-expression. Moss agate connects to nature and emotional balance. Pink lace agate encourages love and self-acceptance. Red agate promotes motivation and inner strength. Tree agate balances energies and promotes growth. Turritella agate connects to ancient wisdom. Water agate enhances emotional healing and flow. White agatized dinosaur bone encourages adaptation. Alabaster supports emotional healing and calmness. Onyx marble enhances inner strength and stability. Albite promotes self-awareness and balance. Alexandrite boosts intuition and transformation. Alunite enhances emotional healing and insight. Amazonite encourages communication and truth. Amber promotes warmth and vitality. Amagreen balances emotions and energy. Amethyst, banded, enhances spiritual growth. Amethyst, cape, boosts intuition and clarity. Amethyst, dark purple, facilitates inner peace. Ametrine, combines amethyst and citron energies. Ammonite, connects to ancient wisdom and growth. Andalusite, supports self-discovery and balance. Androdite, enhances self-confidence and motivation. Angelite, facilitates communication with angels. Anthophyllite, promotes clarity and self-awareness. Apache tear, aids in grief, healing, and protection. Apatite, blue, boosts communication and clarity. Apatite, green, enhances personal growth and insight. Apatite, yellow, encourages motivation and creativity. Aplite, Dalmatian stone, enhances childlike joy and playfulness. Apophyllite, clear, facilitates inner peace and intuition. Apophyllite, green, promotes spiritual growth and healing. Aquamarine, encourages calm communication and self-expression. Aragonite, grounds and stabilizes energy fields. Cat's eye, enhances intuition and awareness. Cavansite, facilitates spiritual growth and insight. Astrophyllite, connects to cosmic energies and transformation. Atacamite, boosts psychic abilities and spiritual connection. Celestite, facilitates communication with higher realms. Augite, promotes clarity and inner strength. Chalcedony, blue, enhances communication and expression. Avalonite, balances emotions and promotes calm. Chalcedony, rosette, encourages love and compassion. Aventurine, blue, boosts self-expression and confidence. Chalcopyrite, attracts abundance and prosperity. Aventurine, green, promotes vitality and growth. Coroet, enhances inner transformation and intuition. Aventurine, orange, encourages joy and creativity. Chiastolite, protects against negative energies. Aventurine, red, ignites passion and motivation. Chinese writing stone, promotes clarity and insight. Azurite and malachite blend, enhances intuition and transformation. Chlorite, cleanses and purifies energy fields. Chloromelanite, boosts grounding and protection. Azurite, enhances insight and intuition. Chrysocolla, promotes emotional healing and empathy. Banded iron stone, connects to the earth's energies. Chrysoprase, encourages positivity and self-acceptance. Barite, facilitates inner exploration and healing. Citrine, attracts abundance and joy. Clay basalt, enhances grounding and stability. Bauxite conglomerate, promotes adaptability and growth. Benetoite, enhances mental clarity and communication. Copper beryl, golden, attracts abundance and prosperity. Covalite, encourages self-discovery and transformation. Beryl vanadium, enhances communication and clarity. Crocoite, boosts creativity and self-expression. Biotite, facilitates personal growth and transformation. Cubic zirconia, promotes clarity and focus. Bismuth, enhances creativity and transformation. Danbarite, aids in spiritual awakening and connection. Bixbite, ignites passion and love. Desert rose, facilitates mental clarity and grounding. Black hypersthene, enhances intuition and insight. Diamond blue, boosts mental clarity and communication.
ये आज के कार्यक्रम का अंत है। अगले कार्यक्रम में हम और भी कई महत्वपूर्ण मुद्दों पर चर्चा करेंगे। धन्यवाद। चैनल को लाइक और शेयर करना ना भूलें।